there everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I have a Fashom unboxing for you. If you don't know anything about Fashom, well, they're a clothing subscription box and you pay $15 and you can get a box shipped to you, and they are pretty quick on the draw there. I requested this like 3-4 days ago and it's here already. So I will leave all the info below, including my link where you can get I believe it's $15 towards your first box to get it shipped to you. And let's see what they sent me. Let's see here. It says, I've curated this comfortable yet chic selection for you that I think could include some perfect addition to your spring wardrobe with bright notes of color and fun updated details. I love what she sends me, or what she picks out that I get to pick from, I should say, because they're always so fun and quirky. And I don't know where she finds them at, but I'll tell you, they are just fun and quirky, and when I get to pick them, it's like, where did she find this stuff at? I just don't know. And it's stuff that I wouldn't have necessarily picked for myself, but I'm glad that she found it. But anyway, this is the bag. If you don't want anything in the box, or if you don't want everything in the box, you just put it back in this bag and ship it back to them, and their feelings won't get hurt. They really don't care. Or they would love if you would keep everything. Makes their job easier. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. Oh, look at that. They sent me chocolates for Valentine's Day. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you, Fashom. I appreciate chocolates always and always. I am a chocolate freak. I love chocolates. I'm going to enjoy those. Thank you very, very much. Okay, so first up is this wonderful top. I love this top, and it is from Esley, and I believe they call this top, well, it's like a wrap, and I love this top. This top it's a nice sheer see-through. The tops go just long enough where they would cover 90% of that damn bat wing that I have. And then the back, and it's a true wrap top. It's not a faux wrap top. I love this. I think it's going to look really nice on, and it's going to cover that just awful tummy that I have that I'll probably never get rid of. But then there's this next top is from Naked Zebra. What a name for a top, right? But it has this detail on it on both straps, and it is obviously sleeveless. Isn't that the most beautiful color for a top? This is beautiful. I don't know though. I think it may be a little short, but maybe not. But I would wear a sweater with it. And this is in a size large. I don't know what the deal is. Oh, maybe okay, that's what the deal is with that. Okay, never mind. There we go. But I do like that. That is pretty. I love the color. And I'm not a purple person, but I do love that color. That is going to be very pretty. Like that. And then she sent me a jacket. Now this jacket is very nice. This is by Skies Are Blue in a size medium. And it has the zipper detail on the arms and on the jacket itself. And then it has this detail right here on the front of the jacket here. Not so keen on that. And then it has the button detail on the shoulder, which should be interesting. There we go. That's not too bad of a jacket. I love, love, love the color of this. Very pretty jacket. Very pretty, like that. And then we have this another shirt, and it is a cold shoulder top. These are always so hard to show, but it is. Let's try and do it here. Try. There. I'm hoping. Oh, come back here right now. There we go. Hopefully I've got it. This is by Together Clothing. There we go. Hopefully I've got it so you can see it. It is very, very pretty. Dark blue with this crocheted detail. This is so pretty. I love that color. And I think, I don't know the size. Maybe it'll tell me in the paperwork, but I do love that pretty detail. This is very pretty. I do love that detail on it. Very nice rounded hem. Very nice. I do like that. And then we have one more thing, and it is a pair of jeans, and it is just black denim in a size 31. The only thing that I didn't care for, and I don't really wear much of the wider leg or the boot cut and the unfinished hem. It's just not me. I don't know. I'm hoping that I'll like them, but that is the jean. And like I said, it's by Just Black Denim in a 31. They look like they're going to be a little too big, honestly, but I mean, I'll try them on and we'll see. They're high-rise straight medium denim. I just don't know about them bottoms. I don't know. They look like they're going to be too long, honestly, because I'm just a short little fat girl. So, I don't know. We'll try them on and we shall see what we come up with. I am almost saying that first glance, I think that the three tops will probably stay here with me. But the coat and the pants, I don't know about those. But let's get to the try-on and see what we can come up with. I will be right back in some new clothing. See you in a second. Okay, this wrap top just took me 25 minutes to attempt to get it on. It does not fit. It is ridiculous. Okay, this is what it's doing. It doesn't fit. It won't. And if I pull it down, everything falls out. So over here you can see where it pulls, where the loop goes through. It's just so tight. I can't even lift my arms for fear that it's going to rip the shirt. So it's going back. I can't. It's just like, if I do that, everything falls out. I'm not keeping this shirt. No matter how much I adjust it, it just is so, it's so tight, I can't even breathe. So it is going back. I can't put my hands down. Sorry. If I do, the girls are going to fall to wherever. The jeans, I don't care for the jeans. I don't like them. There's like this big gap right here. I don't know what that's about. I don't like the bottoms at all. The bottoms, they're too short, and I feel like Huck Finn. I just don't care for the bottoms. I don't like them. So this is a bust. Okay, I feel like I'm on America's Funniest Home Videos or Candid Camera or something. Did they change my size or something? It's like when I do that, it feels like super tight right here. Look, I know I gained 2 pounds, but come on. It's so tight right here. I feel like it's too tight. Like when I do that, it's so tight across the back right there. I don't know if it's showing in the video. Like it feels so tight right here. I love this shirt. I do. I love this shirt. This shirt is amazing. I love it. I'm going to have to see if I can size up. And I feel like it's so tight across my hips. I just feel like it's, when I wash it, it's going to shrink down. Is it supposed to be that way? I don't know. I do like this shirt though. This one's a keeper, and I'm going to see if I can size up in it. All right, on to the jacket and the purple shirt. Be right back. Okay, here's the purple shirt and the pink jacket. I mean, I didn't think I was gonna like this pink jacket, but it doesn't zip. But there's the jacket. It's a really light jacket. I mean, it's not a bad jacket, honestly. I didn't think I was gonna like it. Damn it. It's very light. Nice spring jacket. Damn it. I didn't think I was gonna like the jacket. Ugh. Okay, now I'll show you this purple shirt. I like this purple shirt though. And I'm not one for wearing shirts like this, so one thing I will not be doing is lifting my arms, so that I do like this here. I do like that. It is nice. I do, and it's not too tight. Now, why couldn't that blue shirt be like this? This is how I like my top. Nice and flowy, not too tight, not too awful loose. So I know when I wash this, it's not going to be too bad. It should shrink to the right. You know, when you wash it, it's going to go to the right. You know what I mean? Like, right fit. Let's talk prices. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, well, whew. I was quite the try-on. Let's get into the prices because, well, like I say in all of my videos, it's the prices that matter to me. I mean, sometimes it is definitely the clothes, you know, because if I like something enough, the price sometimes really doesn't matter. But remember, I got some chocolates in this box, so I think I'm gonna have a piece of chocolate. And this is milk chocolate caramel duo hearts. That's what they sent. And you get 2 pieces in there. Must be they wanted us to have some chocolates while we were doing our boxes. Probably not necessarily while we were trying on our, you know, but we got caramel and yummy. Okay, so let's see. Wow, the cost of this box is, after the discounts, isn't too bad. So the price of the jacket, which wasn't too bad of a jacket. I actually like this jacket. I'm shocked, I do. Is $54, which is not a bad price for Skies Are Blue jacket. It's not bad. I'm kind of on the fence about this jacket. Kind of on the fence. These pants, however, hell to the no. I don't like these. I don't like these. I don't like this part, the bottom, and they were too short. They were about 2 inches too short. When I pulled them up to where they were supposed to be, they were too short. But if I push them down, then they were like bulk. I don't know. I just don't like them. Don't like them, and they are $74 doggone dollars. Just USA high-rise straight jeans in the size 12 medium denim, 74 stinking dollars. No, they're too short. And then this top, Together Clothing, crocheted cold shoulder top, medium in blue. I love this. It is staying with me, provided that I can get a large. I want a large because I'm fearful that when I wash this, Let me see what the instructions are. Hand wash, do not bleach, hang to dry. Still, I would like a large. And I'm praying that they have a large in this. I really am praying that they make a large in this. I love this detail. I thought it looked really nice on me. And this is $42. I love this. So that is a definite stay with me top. And then this purple Naked Zebra pearl stud strap swing top in a large Tanzanite. And that's the color Tanzanite. It's $39. I love this top too. So this one's staying here with me as well. This is a perfect spring summer top. I love it. I love, love, love it. And I didn't know it, but it does have an adjustable strap. So that's always a plus. I love this top. It's beautiful. Love the color. It's very pretty. Love it. And then this top is an absolute nightmare top. My girls did not stay in it at all. When I tried to put it on, it took me 20 minutes to figure it out. And I couldn't figure it out. So it is going back, and someone else can enjoy that nightmare. So it gave me nightmares. I can't do it. Cannot do it. So I think that these three might, well, I know these two are definite stay with me. This one is still, I'm kind of on the fence. So definite and a maybe. But if I keep all five, the total before any discount is $257 for this box. The 5-item discount is 30%. You get 30% for buy 5, all 5. And that would be $77, would bring it down to $179 for all 5 of those items, which is an amazing deal. Really, it's an amazing deal. So, you know, I could do that. I could definitely do that. Excuse my Denny's cup. It's no advertisement. It's just that I like their cups because it keeps coffee hot. But the definite 2 tops are staying with me. I like those tops, provided that I can get a large. Cross your fingers for me, because I really need a large in that, because I can't stand it tight across my chest at all. But that is it for this video. I need a drink. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, because, well, I kind of like hanging out with you guys, and I hope you like hanging out with me. And I will see you next time in my next video. And don't forget to check out Fashom, because, well, I like the fact that I can pick out what I want sent to me instead of them just sending some random stuff to me. It is what I picked out, and I like that. And I hope that they watch this video and see that I really didn't care for those jeans. Sorry, Kristen. Didn't like them. Oh well, maybe I've been wearing them stupid skinny jeans too much with the bottoms that, what do they call them? Where they're like this on your ankle. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I just didn't like the unfinished hem. I really didn't. And that they were just about 1.5 inches or 1 inch too short for, they didn't even go to my ankle. I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling, and I am so sorry. Some people don't like that, and well, I don't know what to tell you. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.